Economic downturns can be incredibly concerning, especially when you're retired and relying on your savings to maintain your lifestyle. If you're worried about how a recession or economic uncertainty could affect your nest egg, it's time to consider how to hedge against these downturns. And the solution is simple: gold and silver. In today's video, we're going to break down how you can use gold and silver to protect your wealth and ensure you're not exposed to the risks of the market. But before we dive in, if you're serious about securing your retirement savings and want to learn why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth, make sure to click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Now let's get into it. In times of economic instability, traditional investments like stocks or bonds can lose their value quickly. If you've worked hard to build up your savings, you don't want to risk seeing it diminish when markets fluctuate. That's where gold and silver come in. Historically, gold and silver have been seen as safe havens during periods of economic downturn because they hold their value even when other assets are falling. These precious metals have an inherent value that isn't tied to the stock market or the dollar, making them a perfect hedge against inflation and volatility. But let's talk about the real power of hedging with gold and silver, gold IRAs. Unlike owning physical gold or silver, which can be difficult to store and manage, a gold IRA allows you to hold these metals in an IRA account, making it much easier to integrate into your retirement plan. With a gold IRA, you can protect your wealth from inflation, market downturns, and currency devaluation while still keeping everything within a tax-advantaged retirement account. So why should you choose a gold IRA over other options like stocks, bonds, or real estate? For one, unlike stocks or bonds, gold and silver can't be devalued by central banks or governments. You don't have to worry about the next stock market crash wiping out your savings. With gold and silver, you're essentially immune from those risks. Plus, unlike real estate, which requires a lot of maintenance and can be illiquid, gold and silver are easy to buy and sell when needed. But let's not sugarcoat everything. The reality is, many Americans don't know that gold IRAs exist, and some still rely heavily on traditional retirement accounts or their savings, thinking they're protected from economic downturns. Unfortunately, this isn't always the case. Your standard 401k or IRA may be exposed to the same market risks that affect your stock portfolio. So, if you want to take control and ensure that your wealth is better protected, gold IRAs are the way to go. If you're someone with over $100,000 in your IRA, 401k, or even up to 5M plus in savings, a gold IRA could be the perfect solution. With rising inflation and economic instability, having some of your savings in gold and silver provides you with the peace of mind that your wealth is protected. And for those who are worried about the logistics or confusion of setting up a gold IRA, don't stress. It's easier than you think. And there are experts ready to guide you every step of the way. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks and ensuring that your retirement savings stay intact, click the link in the description below for the free gold IRA guide. To wrap up, whether you're planning for the future or worried about how to safeguard your wealth during uncertain times, consider taking action now by adding gold and silver to your portfolio. Gold IRAs offer a simple, secure, and effective solution that can protect you from the volatility of the markets, giving you the peace of mind you deserve in retirement. If you've got more than $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or up to 5 mil plus in savings, now's the time to start thinking about how a gold IRA can protect your financial future. Make sure to click that first link in the description, and let's get you started on the path to financial security with gold and silver.